Hi, my name is Amy Hall, and I'm the brand manager of operations here at TETRA Hearing. Today we're going to be talking about wind noise reduction in the TETRA devices that you're going to be receiving. Here at TETRA, we are a brand by hunters for hunters. As outdoorsmen and women, we are constantly exposed to the elements, and wind noise is one that we encounter frequently. Here at TETRA, our patented pursuit-based programs are all outfitted to cut wind noise. The wind plays a major impact in your listening experience from the field, so we have implemented this as a key feature built into each algorithm to minimize the sounds that leave your ears ringing after the hunt. Play the wind this season and hear the hunt. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by email, text, or call here at TETRA Hearing.